In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create transparent gradient text in Canva. Start by opening a new design or any template in Canva. Head to the Uploads panel and bring in the image you want to use as your background. Drop it onto the canvas, resize it to cover the entire page, and reposition it until the composition feels balanced. If you need to adjust the crop, just double-click the photo and drag it within the frame. Next, open the text panel and add a heading. Type the word or phrase you want. Pick a bold, thick font so the gradient shows clearly, and give the text a temporary color with strong contrast against the background so you can see your layout. Scale the text up and use the snapping guides to center it precisely on the canvas. Copy this text, add a new page, and paste the text onto that second page so it sits there alone. Now go to Share and choose Download. Set the file type to PNG, select only page 2, and check Transparent Background. Download it. This gives you a clean text shape with an alpha channel. Back on page 1, upload that PNG and place it on your canvas. With it selected, open Apps, search for Image Colorizer, and launch it. Use the On-Canvas handle to set your gradient angle, then pick your two gradient colors. Adjust transparency or noise to soften or intensify the blend. Click Add to design to apply the gradient. You can now delete the original solid text layer so the gradient version replaces it. Open the Layers panel and send the gradient text behind your foreground elements as needed. Resize it to match your original layout and align it neatly to center. To create depth, duplicate your background image. In the Layers panel, move this duplicate so it sits between two text layers, the gradient text below and a copy of the text above. With the duplicated image selected, use Background Remover to cut out the subject so it overlaps the letters naturally. Select the front text layer, go to Effects, choose Hollow, and reduce the thickness until you get a clean outline with a transparent interior. This combination gives you a crisp hollow outline on top, a rich gradient fill behind it, and your subject weaving between the letters for a polished, layered look. If something appears hidden, tweak the order in the Layers panel, nudge elements into place, and fine-tune the gradient angle or colors for the perfect finish. And that's how you create transparent gradient text in Canva.